Hello everyone, my name is Farah and I'm from Indonesia. Currently, I'm in Oxford and I'm one of the participants of International Kingdom's program. My most memorable experience in here probably like joining the class, collaborating with so many different people with different backgrounds, having a memorable experience with them as well, going on trip to London, an eye-opening kind of experience for me, and I'm just truly grateful for that. Also, I want to say thank you to International Kingdom's team, to OISC team for making us possible for us to go here. Also to our host family as well, Mrs. Farah and Sir Muhammad, for welcoming us during this Ramadan. At first, I was a bit skeptical because during Ramadan, I've never been so far away from my family. Also to you guys that want to be part of this and want to share this memorable experience with International Kingdom, go join them and follow them and you'll never regret it.